I'm standing in front of the Wall of Fame at Arya Group of Institutions. Ma'am, we see a lot of awards and recognitions and adulations which have been given to the Arya Group. Would you please throw a bit of light more on all these
Definitely. There are many awards which have been conferred to Arya in the past many years now. It's like if you talk in terms of placements, like the students were highlighting, Arya is known for placements. So from last 3 years, we have been awarded for the best placements, in terms of the kind of placements that we are offering. We are known for hosting pool drives in the state of Rajasthan. So this is how we have been awarded for best placements. Chairman Sir Dr. Arvind Agarwal Sir, he has been conferred the prize of Edupreneurs Award. That's on the basis of the kind of contribution he is putting into terms of the engineering education. Then we have been also awarded the prize for the best engineering college, the most prominent college in the state of Rajasthan. Edupreneurs Award is also there. Then if we talk in terms of e-governance, I've already highlighted this is the first campus in entire Rajasthan. This is the third best campus in terms of Rajasthan. You can see the kind of awards and felicitations being conferred to Arya. TCS IN has also certified us for the kind of IT infrastructure. So this is just a glimpse of the kind of awards and accolades conferred to Arya in the past many years.
So there is a relentless drive for excellence at Arya, which probably enables them to bag so prestigious awards in such a short period of time. They have emerged as a fine academic institution in this part of the country. We move on to the next wheel of innovation at Arya, so stay tuned.